What is in a well-designed estate plan? Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt, the owner of DeWitt Law. We do great estate planning. Planning starts with a free conversation. Start your conversation now by going to planwithgary.com. What is in a well-designed plan? A well-designed estate plan wraps you in a blanket of protection and peace of mind. A well-designed estate plan not only tells the world how you want your stuff distributed, but protects your freedom of choice during your lifetime. It sets forth rules and puts people in charge to protect you and your money during your lifetime and beyond. The first and most important piece of a plan, in my opinion, is the durable power of attorney. This protects you during your lifetime. It keeps your family out of court seeking permission to make decisions for you if you can't make them yourself. And it's much cheaper to set up a power of attorney now than to go to court later. In a power of attorney, you name somebody you want, know, and trust, not necessarily a family member, to manage your affairs and make decisions for you if you can't. The person will be in charge of managing your property, legal, and financial affairs. For healthcare, you do a healthcare power of attorney. This is a power of attorney that specifically to make healthcare decisions only if you can't make them yourself. To go along with a healthcare power of attorney, you need what's called a Hipaa Waiver. Your healthcare information is protected under federal law and doctors can't share it unless you have a waiver. This waiver tells the medical professions who can and cannot talk to you and talk to the doctors about your medical well-being and what's going on. Without this, doctors and nurses are limited in what they can share even with family. Finally, we get to the parts of a plan that deal with the distribution of your estate. First, a last will and testament tells who gets what and when. A will requires probate, but can work with some additional planning. Second, a trust can be created. A trust avoids probate and provides for management of assets during your lifetime too. You name a successor trustee to take over when you can't manage. Afterwards, the final trustee will follow the instructions in the trust to distribute your property. Planning starts with a free conversation. Start your conversation now by going to planwithgary.com. If you have any questions on estate planning, set up a time to talk at planwithgary.com. If you want us to help you get started on your plan, set up a time at planwithgary.com. Start your conversation now by going to planwithgary.com.